A ferocious hailstorm lashed parts of Sydney on Wednesday afternoon, while other parts of New South Wales were given a dusting of unseasonable snow. The hail hit parts of the CBD and surrounding suburbs just after lunchtime. The Bureau of Meteorology said more hail, as well as showers, are possible in the city into the early evening on what has been a far colder than average day. Watch the footage of the hailstorm in the video player above. Read more. Biden says its unlikely missile that fell in Poland was fired from Russia while parts of the state suffers through yet another flooding disaster. The town of Oberon, located on the west of the Blue Mountains, registered snowfall. Canberra was also given a white dusting, albeit of a slightly different nature. It wasn't snow, but graupel, which is a soft hail, WeatherZone said. Read more. Donald Trump makes 2024 presidential bid official.